Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Today I am unboxing my first ever Allure beauty box. I ordered this about a month ago and I just received it a couple of weeks ago. So I thought I would unbox it and kind of share what comes in this box. I'm a little confused, to be honest, because I got two boxes. Two of these little boxes came and they are both stuffed with product. So I wondered if I signed up at a time where maybe I was getting, 1 month and this was my current month, or if this is one box. I went through all my emails and I didn't find an answer to that. So I will say, I'm not certain if this is 1 month of product or 2 months of product. I'm just gonna tell you this. I signed up on March 3rd for this box and I received it maybe 2 weeks ago. And I just got an email saying my April box was coming. So I think this is probably just my March box. I will have all the details in the description box below on as far as what the website says you get. I think I read that you get 6 full-size products. I'm gonna have it all in the information box. You can tell I'm very prepared for this video, aren't I? The box retails for $250 a year. So I paid $250 for a year to receive these boxes, and then I paid like $8 to get the Allure magazine subscription. So all right, let's dive in. All right, so we're gonna open this first one right here. This one has kind of more of the fun, exciting goodies of brands that I recognized, some things that I was super excited about. So the first product that I saw here was the Lip Filler Lip Liner by Thrive Cosmetics, which I'm so excited to try because I actually was gonna order one of these and it came in the shade Khaki Mocha. Let's see. Okay, so it's just kind of a basic, cool tone brown shade. Not really a shade that I wear very often, but I feel like maybe if I pair a peach or pink lipstick over it, it'll work. Next, I got a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipstick, and this does look to be a full size. I know I said I'm not gonna open all of them, but ooh, this is nice. Oh, this color is beautiful. I love that color, really pretty. Let's pop it on now, on top of what I have on. Ooh, so nice, I love that. Okay, that is really nice, and I love the formula of this. Very lovely, excited about that. Let's pop that back in the box. Then I also got a Tarte mascara, an Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I don't know if I've tried this one. I'm sure that I have. And then I got a Benefit Ka-Brow Cream Gel Brow Color with Brush. Is this what I always use? Is this the Gimme Brow? No, this is a different brow product. Okay, I'm excited to try this because you guys know I use the Gimme Brow and I love that. What is this? Okay, so it's it almost looks like a gel pomade. And then I assume the applicator. Okay, and the applicator is a little angled brush. That's really cute. I like the packaging of this. Benefit has some cute, innovative packaging ideas. I like that. I'm excited to try that. I will keep you guys posted on this. Then I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. That's good. This is a good formula. This one's clear, but I always equate this particular formula to kind of like hairspray for the brows. It really does a great job of keeping the brows in place. It doesn't really have any fibers to add volume, but it does keep it in place. Next, we have the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer Moisturizer. Okay, safe for sensitive skin. So this is a primer and moisturizer. Okay, does this smell like coconuts? I like coconuts. That I do like. Does this have, oh, I'm scared to, okay, it has a little foil thing I need to take off. I will do that at a later time. Then we have this here, which I'm not familiar with, the new company, Tropical C. It is fresh vitamin C, firms lines, smooths, brightens, antioxidants. So this looks to be a vitamin C serum, okay? Not familiar with that brand, but I will check it out. Then we have a small Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is great. I love this product. I've been using it for years. It's probably one of the first products I ever talked about in my early days on YouTube. Such a good one. Then next we have this Pureless Watermelon Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. Gently cleanses skin, removes makeup, purifies and energizes, and it says it's good for all skin types. I just want to see the bottle, the component on this. Cute. Okay, purifying cleanser, gently cleanses. I like when I see gentle or gently on a cleanser. I like that. Okay, next we have a little bar of soap. The famous black soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. Okay, so I assume this is for your face, used directly after the cleansing oil of your choice as part of your double cleanse ritual. Okay, this is by Erno Lazo. So this is a face wash, essentially, in a bar of soap. Then we have an Urban Decay black liner, which is perfect timing because my Fenty Beauty needs to be replaced, which I plan on picking up tomorrow when the Sephora sale starts. And then we have something for Gorgiano. Is I saying that right? I actually have ordered from this brand before. I'm pretty sure my ring here is from this brand. I just don't know if I pronounced it right. They are a jewelry company, and let's see, they make real like kind of minimal style jewelry, minimalistic pieces. Okay. Not my style, but kind of cute. I'm sure I can find someone that will love this. A little choker with a bow on it. Yeah, I don't know that I could pull that off, but nonetheless, I appreciate that it was in my box. Okay, so that is box number 1. Let's kind of, is that a lot? That is a lot of product. That's why I'm thinking that maybe possibly I got the February box too. If you subscribe to Allure Beauty, I'm not sure if all the boxes, I really don't know much about this program, do I? Why am I doing a video on it? I'm kidding. But if you subscribe to the Allure Beauty box, comment down below. And did I get 1 box? Did I get 2 boxes? Are all the boxes different? I'm gonna do my research, you guys. I should have done it before I filmed this, but I'm gonna have everything in the description box. I will answer all of your questions about this subscription service. Okay, then in the second box, yes, I'm excited about this. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream in a little mini size, which is perfect because I did just use up my travel. Okay, this has a little protector, but this is so good. It's one of my favorites. I will actually pick this up at the Sephora sale too because it's one of just my go-tos. Then we have a Glamo Lash Mascara. So I'm really excited to try new mascaras now that my lashes are in a good state. So I'm excited to try that. Then we have the 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Okay, so it looks like we got 2 vitamin C products, which is interesting. This is what it looks like. I'm not too familiar with this brand, but I don't know that I will try all of this. I feel like with the skincare, I've been trying so much new skincare lately, and my skin has, I don't know if it's all the changes that I've made or what, but it has been drier. So I've kind of like pulled back, kind of tried and trues, like the P50 lotion. As much as I love that product, trust me, I still love that product, and I will never phase that out of my routine entirely, but I was using that daily, and now I'm kind of using it a couple times a week because I just think I might be over exfoliating. Next we have Lorizzi Cosmetics Lip Gloss. Let's pop this guy open. Actually, I kind of already took a peek at it. It is like this peachy pale nude shade. Let's see how this formula is. Okay, ooh, I like the scent. It has a nice little scent. All right, and it's just a pretty kind of creme brulee, peachy nude. It doesn't have any shimmer to it. Looks really shiny. Doesn't feel too thick, feels nice. Okay, then next we have, what else do we have? We are almost done, you guys. Then we have Clarins, a Total Eye Lift. Ooh, okay, I'm excited to try this. I don't really have too much experience with Clarins products. Total Eye Lift, concentrate. What does this say this does? I assume it's an eye cream. Our powerful eye solution with lift effect expertise, specifically developed to replenish and enhance the area around the eyes. Okay. So we are going to replenish and enhance my under eye area. All right, nice. Let's take a look at what we have left. We're almost done. We have a little like deluxe sample of a clay wash by B. Glenn Laboratories. Have you guys heard of this? Gently dissolve a day's worth of dirt and impurities with our breakout bursting natural clay wash. Okay, I don't know that I've used a face wash that's a clay wash. I've used clay masks and I really enjoy those, but I'd be interested to try this for sure. Okay, and then we have, oh, I already talked about that. Then we have a double act shadow stick. Ooh, let's check this one out. Okay, so this is like it's an eyeshadow crayon and the color is intense. That's one side of it. It's really creamy. It actually looks really creamy and kind of wet, so I wonder how it would set. Ooh, this color's pretty. I like that color. That color's really pretty. I wonder how that would set, if it does set or if it stays creamy. It feels really creamy. It feels nice. My only question is, does it set and stay or does it crease? That's really nice. I like the contrast of colors too. Obviously they're both brown, but you have one really, really rich brown and then you've got this really pretty kind of copper shimmery shade. And then the last thing we have, oh yes, yes, yay! We got a pencil sharpener. I assume it's for this guy. Yes, it is, because it has the same little logo on it. Okay, so it's a pencil sharpener for this, basically. So it's for chubby eye crayons. I need to get a new pencil sharpener for my regular lip pencils and eyeliner pencils because mine grew legs and walked away. So that is it. That is everything that came in those 2 boxes. Again, I'm gonna do my research. Should have done it before this video, but it will be in the info box below, so you can check that out. Not sponsored. I think I mentioned that I purchased this myself. Overall, I'm happy with the products that I got. I mean, I got a lot. Even if I had just gotten this one box, the first box, I would have felt really happy with that. I think I would have been a little disappointed if I had gotten the second box alone, just because there weren't a whole lot of recognizable brands and names in it, which, you know, it depends on how you look at it. It could be a great opportunity to try new brands, but I always like when I subscribe to a box and I get products from brands that I already love and use. I don't know, there's just something exciting about that. It feels like a great value. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to continue doing these when I get my next April month box, or if you're like not interested in these videos. I haven't done an unboxing video in a long time. I can't remember the last one I did, and I don't remember them performing very well. I thought I would do this one, but if you want me to continue, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.